प्यारे दोस्तों, मैं रत्नभूषण, फ्रेंड मोटिवेटर एंड गाइड टू आईएएस एस्पिरेंट, इंटरनेशनल मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर, लीडरशिप ट्रेनर, सीईओ, कोच, पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रेटजिस्ट एंड पॉलिसी एडवाइजर. Welcome to ASG. ASGIS believe in quality, commitment and success. Ethics. William K. Frankena. Ethics. William K. Frankena. This is the book by William K. Frankena. Kinds of normative judgment. Kinds of normative judgment. Moral or ethical judgments are of various kinds. As has been indicated, they may have been a particular or general. They may also be stated in different persons and tenses. These differences are all important in their places, but here we must stress another difference. In some of our moral judgment, we say that a certain actions or kind of action is morally right, wrong, obligatory, a duty, or ought not to be done. In others, we talk not about actions or kinds of action, but about person, motives, intention, traits of character, and the like, and we say them that they are morally good, bad, virtuous, vicious, responsible, blameworthy, saintly, despicable. Why do I repeat? Because these are the few words which you have to despicable, and so on. In these two kinds of judgment, the things that talk about are different, and what is said about them is different. We do also speak of good actions or deeds. But here, good is not properly used as a synonym of right, as it often is. Properly used, it seems to be mean either that the action has a good motive or that it has good consequences. I shall call the former judgments of moral obligation, 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 or deontic judgment, deontic judgment, deontic judgment, deontic judgment, deontic judgment, and the later judgment of the moral value or heretic judgment. There are also judgments of non-moral value. In these we evaluate not so much actions, person, motives and the like, but all sorts of other things: car, paintings, experiences, forms of government and whatnot. We say they are good, bad, desirable, undesirable, and so on, but we do not mean that they are morally good or morally bad, since they are generally not the kinds of things that can be morally good or bad. A study of the judgment is not, as such, a part of ethics or moral philosophy, though it is a part of the theory of the value in general. But since it will turn out that a consideration of what is good or non morally is involved in determining what is morally right or wrong, we must include a discussion of such value judgments anyway. For the sake of completeness, we must also recognize another kind of normative judgment, which I shall call non-moral judgments of obligation. Non-moral judgments of obligation. Non-moral judgments of obligation. Non-moral judgments of obligation. Examples appear in the following outline, but as these examples will make a clear judgments of this kind have no special interest of moral philosophy, and so do not call for discussion in the book on ethics, even though they are of considerable practice importance. We obtain then the following outline of kinds of normative judgment. Number 1, ethical or moral judgment proper, a judgment of moral obligation. Deontic judgment, particular, for example, assuming terms are used in the moral sense: I ought not to escape from the prison now, you should become a missionary, what he did was wrong. General, for example, we ought to keep our agreement. Love is the fulfillment of moral law. Love is the fulfillment of the moral law. Love is the fulfillment of moral law. All men have a right to freedom. All men have right to freedom. Judgments of moral value. Heretic judgment, particular, for example, my grandfather was a good man, Xavier was a saint, he is responsible for what he did, you deserve to be punished, her character is admirable, his motive was good. General, for example, benevolence is a virtue, jealousy is an ignoble motive. The man who can forgive such carelessness is a sin. The good man does not cheat or steal. Non-moral normative judgment, a judgment of non-moral value, particular, for example, that is a good car. Maneuver Chevy did not have a very good life. General, for example, pleasure is a good in itself. Democracy is the best form of government. Judgments of non-moral obligations, particular, for example, you ought to buy a new suit. You just have to go to that concert. General, for example, in building a bookcase, one should use nails, not scotch tape. The right thing to do on the fourth down with the 13 yards to go is a punt. It should be mentioned here that many writers use terms differently. Where I speak of the normative judgment, some prefer to say value judgments or evaluative judgments or simply ethical or even moral judgments. For example, philosophy, it is important to distinguish the above four kinds of judgment. However, one labels them. In general, I shall try to use terms as indicated sometimes. However, especially in chapter 6, it will be convenient to use phrases ethical judgment and value judgment in a more general and usual way, even at this risk of some vagueness. Program for the rest of book. In normative ethics, we try to primarily to arrive at the set of the acceptable judgment of moral obligation, two of moral value, and secondarily third of the non-moral value. In metaethics, we mainly seek to work out a theory of the meaning and justification. First, judgments and moral obligation. Two, judgments of the moral value, and third, judgments of the non-moral value.